Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add flipbox in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website and let me log in. So now in the dashboard, let's go to WordPress free plugin library. Here you can find out any Divi plugin and you can install that plugin. So now here you can see this is second one. This is called Divi SuperMe plugin, and it comes with multiple modules that you can easily use and design your Divi website to the professional level. So let's view this page on the front side. Now if you want to enable Divi Visual Builder, just you can use this option, edit with Divi. Then on the front side, on the top of every page, here you can see enable Divi Visual Builder. You can just easily enable, and after that you can easily edit and change any section content, and you can also remove any section if you don't like that. Now let's scroll down, and here we can find some options to add a new section. So just click on blue icon, then add a regular section. Then search for flipbox. Okay, here you can see module name SuperMe flipbox. Add this, then click add new item, and after that just add image. You can also add icon instead of image. Then click here, and after that now here you can see there is nothing, and add new item. Let's add another image. So guys, here you can see how flipbox works. Whatever you want to add on the back side, you can easily do that. I have added image, just you can easily add icon. For example, whatever icon you want to use, then design and icon color. After that go back, then you can also add some text here. Now here you can see on the back side there is some text. Then here you can add some description text, as well as you can link this flipbox to any page. Then go to design tab. Here you can easily change title text, body text, and various other typography options. For example, you can change text color, alignment, font family, font weight, and various font styles that you can apply. And also here you can see sizing and spacing options. You can also enable button in your flipbox. So let me check that how you can do that. Now scroll down, and here you can see button options. Just for example, if I want to add button text, subscribe, and then add button URL. So alright, now here you can see this is the button. Then click here on the three dots and save it. In this way you can easily add flipbox in your Divi WordPress website.